Paying too much tax? There's top 3 ways in commercial property where you can significantly reduce your tax while investing in commercial property. It's simply the ABCs. A, approved pension schemes. B, business structuring. And C, capital allowances. Let's jump in this week and save you some tax. And in terms of commercial property, another area that's it's a fantastic space where you don't have it in residential is you have many tax incentives by the government or HMRC to encourage investment. And, there's no votes in commercial property. Let's just say that. And that's why all these things still exist. And it's why the politicians are attacking commercial. They're attacking residential because it's low hanging fruit. There's 3 million residential investors, 100,000 commercial investors. And a lot of those are backbenchers. So you don't, you don't kind of take food off the table of your own kind of people. So there's capital allowances, which are a fantastic tax shield. It's an incentive by the government over 100 years in existence, and it's basically a tax shield. I don't want to go into depth now. We're going to actually have a capital allowances specialist do a presentation for us, which is quite exciting. And then we're going to have a pension specialist as well come in and do a presentation on that. Business structures, another fantastic way that commercial really can benefit by compounding your wealth by retaining more. And you can use multiple business structures in different ways, and the relationship between those structures are really important to accelerate capital values, retain more money so you can invest more money and get that compounding effect going on.